Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn verbs future tense. Verbs are the words that shows actions or a state of being. Verb changes its form according to the time of the action. So what is verb? Verbs are the word that shows an action. For example, like eating, jumping, running, sleeping, thinking, touching, fighting, quarreling, etc. So such words which expresses the actions, which shows the actions or a state of being is called verb. So verb changes its forms according to the time of the action. For example, if the action has been taken place in the past or in the in the future or in the present, then all the forms of the verb is different. So for example, if the action has been taken place in the past, then the form of the verb will be v2, that is past form of the verb. If the action is taken place in the present, then we will use the base form of the verb, that is v1. For example, eat. If suppose I am eating an apple right now, then I will use the eat, that is v1 form of the verb. Okay, if I did this same activity in the past or in the or did this action earlier, then I will use the v2 form of eat, that is ate. Okay, if I am going to eat apple in the coming time or in the future, then I will say will plus v1 form of the verb, that is will eat. I hope this is clear. Now let us understand what is future tense. So future tense talk about the future action that will happen in the future. Future tense talks about the actions that will happen in the future. Future tense is classified into four types. First is simple future. Then next is future continuous. Then after that it comes future perfect tense. Then the last one is future perfect continuous tense. But in our syllabus we are going to study only simple future tense. So what is simple future tense, students? Simple future tense is a tense used to say what we plan to do. It is also used to say what we are going to or believe will happen in the future. So simple future tense, it expresses or it helps to tell the action that is going to happen in the future. Right now, so as I told you, future tense is classified into four groups. It is classified into four. So first is simple future tense, future continuous tense, future perfect tense, and future perfect continuous tense. Simple future tense. The structure of simple future tense is subject plus will plus verb plus object. Subject plus next helping verb. In future tense we use will as a helping verb. Okay, then after helping verb we use the main verb, then finally comes the object. So for example, first is subject. So subject, we can take any noun, or pronoun as a subject. Pronoun as a subject. For example, I will give you for few example of noun and pronoun. Like noun, you know that I can use any name of place, person, place, thing or animal, right? Here for example, if I take the name of a person like Rahul, Riya, Aman, Aman, Amita, etc., etc., or name of a place, Mumbai, Hyderabad, Kolkata, anything. Okay, so and another is pronoun. You can take your you can choose your subject as a pronoun also. For example, like I, its plural form is we, you, then its plural is you, then third person singular he, she, and it, and its plural form they. So any of this you can choose as a subject. Okay, I have chosen here I. So I, then after that what will come after subject selection? We will write helping verb will. So I will, then verb. Verb will come. You can choose any verb. I will write, I will eat, I will jump, I will think, I will laugh, I will swim, anything. Okay. So I had taken here I will meet you tomorrow. I will meet you tomorrow. Understood? So here I is the subject. I is the subject, will is the helping verb, meet is the main verb. Now you tomorrow. It is the remaining part of the sentence. Okay. Now come to next form of the sentence. Now how to make the negative form? So subject plus will plus not plus verb plus object. So how can we make the negative form of the sentence in future tense? We will simply add not after the helping verb. So our sentence, let us change the previous sentence, the above sentence, into negative. How we can make this sentence into negative? The structure is that after will we will add not. So here simply you have to insert not. So what it became? I will not meet you tomorrow. See, here you can see I will not meet you tomorrow. Understood? Okay, very nice. Next, if I say make an interrogative sentence, so the structure for simple future interrogative sentence is your helping verb will be shifted before the subject. Here you can see subject plus verb plus object, and the helping verb will come before the subject. So the structure is will plus subject plus verb plus object. So you can see our sentence was I will meet you tomorrow. So now if we want to make the interrogative, this will be shifted before the subject. So what it will become? Will I meet you tomorrow? What it will become? Will I meet you tomorrow? I hope you got this. Now let us solve few exercises so that it is more clear. It will become more clear to you. I hope you can see this first question. Here is what a fortune teller told a girl about her future. Fortune teller means a person who tells or predicts about the future of a person, that is called fortune teller. So here a fortune teller, he has predicted, or he has he had told something about which is going to happen in future with this girl. So let us see what is the fortune, what he had predicted. So first sentence is, you dash very rich. You dash very rich. So students, you know that this is the future of the girl. So that means whatever the prediction is done, that means it is going to happen in future. So I told you that if it is future tense, we will use the helping verb will. What we will do, we will add the helping verb here, will. So you will. So simply after you, what will come? You will come. Okay, then after that it is said suitable form of verb. Suitable verb. So here in simple future, which form of a verb we use? We use here v1. V1, right? So you will become very rich. You will become very rich. I hope you got this. Next, you will. You will dash around the world. What you will do around the world? You may travel, you may explore the world. Okay, or you may see the world. You may see around the world. Okay, so any suitable word, form of verb, any suitable verb you can use here. So I am using here travel. So you will travel. You will travel around the world. Okay, next, you will dash a comfortable life. You will live, L-I-V-E, live a comfortable life. You will live a comfortable life. Next, you dash many interesting people. We can meet interesting people. Okay, so here it is going to happen in future. So simply what will happen? We will add here helping verb will. You will meet. You will meet many interesting people. Next, you dash very famous. Maybe in future she can become very famous. So we can write here you will be. You will be very famous. Okay. Now, second question I give you in homework. You can try it by yourself.